Hello and happy Friday. Raulf here, local SEO expert and AI SEO expert. I'm the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing. We're a super hyper-focused AI SEO and local SEO company. So in today's Friday SEO tip, I want to talk about something really important for local businesses. Even if you don't have the time to do search engine optimization yourself for your business, this is something that you can absolutely do immediately. So earlier this week, we visited one of the kids in Omaha, Nebraska. One of the kids is studying there, goes to college. My wife and I stayed at the Holiday Inn Express in Omaha, and guess what? I loved what I saw in the elevator. They had this sign up there, very visible, right? Scan me, leave us a review for our Google business profile. So in this Friday SEO tip, I want to show you how to get that QR code that will take people straight to your Google business profile where they can leave a review. And then I also want to show you how to create QR codes very easily using Chrome. And then below in the description field of this YouTube video, you'll find more instructions directly from Google on how to do the things that I'm going to show you here in this Friday SEO tip. So let's get to it. This is going to be short and sweet. So first, let me tell you about the importance of getting reviews for your local business. So if you do a search for Denver SEO, which is obviously a very important keyword for us, right? So you got the sponsored results up here. They pay a lot of money to get people to their website. Again, this is a sponsored ad, a local map pack, and look at that. BSM, a Denver SEO company, that is us. We have 55 legit reviews. This definitely helps to get into the map pack there, which gets us a lot of clients because a lot of people find us this way. All right. So let me show you how to grab that QR code. You can either go to your Google Business Profile dashboard, or just do a search for, let's say, SEO agency Boulder. So ideally, you're also going to rank in the map pack here. So this is our Boulder office. I'm going to click on this listing here. Then next, I'm going to click on reviews. Okay. Then you want to click on manage reviews. All right. And then you want to click on get more reviews. And ta-da, here is your QR code that you can now download, save image as copy image, create a beautiful flyer, something that the Holiday Inn Express did in Omaha. Put it up very visible. If you have a storefront, if you a place where people buy your products, put it up there and tell them, hey, quickly scan this code with your phone, right? All you have to do is point your phone, open your camera, and then point it at the QR code that will open that link where people can easily leave a review for your business. Even if you don't do anything else with search engine optimization for your local business, this is a absolute goldmine, something that you can implement immediately. All right, then let me quickly show you how to create a new QR code for any page that you open in your browser. In this case, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome browser. So simply go to a page that you want to create a QR code for. Then head over here to these three dots, click on it, and then head down here, cast, save, and share. Come down here, create QR code. Ta-da! Magic, right? download, copy, so you have a QR code. Anything on your website, you can easily create a QR code for, put it on your car if you're a plumber or HVAC specialist company. It's going to make it so easy for people to whip out their pocket computer. If they need your services, quickly scan that code, have a QR code for your contact information, etc. It's going to make it so easy instead of people having to memorize your company name, your URL, etc. This is something that you can implement right away. So hopefully you learned something new. We're hosting a local SEO webinar on a regular basis, I think every 3 months or so. So if you want to learn more about local SEO strategies that you could implement right away, head below to the description field of this YouTube video and join us for our next local SEO webinar. We're sharing incredible tips that you can implement right away. Again, Raulf here, founder of Boulder SEO Marketing, local SEO expert, AI SEO expert. As always, stay safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you next time. All right, bye-bye.